Small Cap Epicenter at AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you can hope to profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investment. It's Thursday, January the 20th. The background looks a little different today. It's because I'm broadcasting from Vancouver, where we're getting ready to present at the Cambridge conference this weekend. Over 400 companies are going to be there, thousands of investors, and we're also presenting at the Investor Relations conference being put on by Market Edge Media tomorrow. Take a look at the details on my Twitter feed. I've got a few great press releases for you, all out of the resources space. Not a surprise because they're all putting out news before this Cambridge conference before they get a chance to meet investors face to face. Let's get straight to it. First up, Alix Resources trades on the venture into AIX. And for those of you in Germany on Frankfurt, under 37N, they announced the completion of a 43101 report. This on their gold, silver, copper property in South Central Alaska. This is a revised estimate resource, and they say it now indicates at a 1 gram per ton cutoff of about 3.169 million tons measured and indicated material containing 200, let's call it 280,000 ounces of gold, 1.5 million ounces of silver, 3,233 tons of copper. Big numbers there. Take a look at the 2005 NI 43101 report about the company here. Their June exploration company, and it looks like they're focusing on Alaska. Closed yesterday, 17 cents, 52-week trading range, 1 penny on the low, 30 cents on the high. I haven't even heard this company before, so it looks like they're coming. They're really coming out right now. Michael England is the president over there. Congratulations, Michael, on your news today. Let's keep an eye on that company because it looks like it's got a market cap of under $1 million. Okay, and that's cheap today. I'm going to do my due diligence. You should do the same thing. Next up, a bit of a bigger company. A lot of people know about this, SilverQuest Resources, SQI on the Venture Exchange. They also put out an updated NI 43101. We love these 43101s, especially when they're updates. It really separates the wheat from chaff, which is really important in these markets because there are a lot of companies out there trying to be Me Too companies, trying to get your investment dollars. This is how you find out which ones are real. SilverQuest 43101 is on their 100% owned Capoose deposit, which is in British Columbia. They say it represents, as their word, a significant increase in the 2010 resource estimate. 45% of the 2010 resource has now been upgraded to the indicated resource category. That's always a great sign. So good for them. The new 43101 is based on an additional 37 infill and step-out drill holes, 10,600 meters of drilling, and more than 5,300 assay values collected from the 2010 drill program. As a result of this, they now have, looks like 31.22 million tons, grading 0.38 grams per ton of gold and 26.5 grams per ton of silver. That gives them 383,800 contained ounces of gold and 26.6 million contained ounces of silver. That's the indicated category. Over on the inferred side, it looks like they've got 443,000 ounces and change of gold and about 29.5 million contained ounces of silver. That's the inferred category. Closed yesterday, 60 cents, 52-week range, 27 on the low, $1.05 on the half, $1.05 on the high. It's been very volatile, but this could lead to another leg up if this is what investors have been waiting for. And finally, Batero Gold trades on the venture into BAT, another new company I haven't heard of before. They announced that they intersected 452 meters. Listen, that 452 meters, grading 0.6 grams per ton of gold and 0.12% copper. These are initial results from the first 2 holes of its phase 1 drill program from its project in Colombia. And their words again have returned significant intervals of gold and copper mineralization. The highlight hole I gave you, the headline hole, was at a hole 02. Drill hole 1 also had from 0 meters to 5 meters grade 0.67 grams per ton of gold and 0.12% copper. The company says it's focused on Colombia, and they're emerging, and focusing Colombia's emerging and prolific mid-Cauca porphyry, gold, and copper belt. Closed yesterday 283. So obviously got a lot of market attention. This is one of those companies I haven't found before. 52-week range, 58 cents on the low. A lot of happy shareholders there for 319 on the high. It's almost there. So the company's been performing very well. Definitely one to watch for because it looks like this is trending. I'd love to look at this chart if I had time, but it looks like this is trending very, very well. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. 3 great press releases for you. If you're watching this on Globe Investor and you look for more great small cap resource energy companies, then look below me or to the left of me to find other companies we've covered over the past few days, or get stuff at the front page of AGORACOM if you're not there already. Watch the show on a daily basis. Watch our archives via iTunes, YouTube, whatever you prefer. 2, take a look at the best news and press releases coming out of the small cap space over the past few days right on the front page. And finally, get stuff into the directory and find the best company that fits your portfolio needs. That's a wrap. Have a great day. We'll be broadcasting every day from Vancouver. It's a shame I can't show you the mountains and the harbor behind me, but it's about 6:30 in the morning here, and all you're going to get is glare from the lights off the window. But I really wish it was really dark outside. But maybe I'll be able to do a show later in the afternoon one of these days just to show you what it's like. But until tomorrow, have a great day. Talk to you then.